Pilot selecting Total Parts Pro, today with 2012 Ford Focus, stock number 6972. This ran from the 5th 2011 to the 8th 2015. Here's a PNDA 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LW 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 6-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door 1 dent. Left rear 6-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 6-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory full spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.